Namaskar. Good evening. So I thought I'll come live today in the form of a video because today's topic is a very complex one, and the more I will type, the more you will type. So initially, I will give you a brief about the floor, what the diabetics can eat. We'll be continuing our whatever the interaction is there online after 9 o'clock. But this will aid in understanding what exactly the floor is. So flour basically it is a powder, and it is obtained by crushing, grinding, or processing. You can say, you can take any word of either a grain like wheat or millets or nuts. The most commonly used flour is the wheat flour. So what is a wheat? Wheat is a grain, any grain. We'll take wheat because it is the most commonest thing which is used. Now, any grain has three parts. One outer layer is bran, then the middle layer is endosperm, and the inner layer is germ. Depending upon the process of grinding, we can get various products. Like we can get wheat flour, normal आटा जो हम खाते हैं, that is wheat flour. Now wheat flour will contain only outer layer, that is bran and the germ. And if you grind it further, you will get maida. Maida will not contain bran, that is outer layer, or the innermost layer, that is germ. Maida contains only endosperm. So bran basically have fibers. Endosperm basically have carbohydrates and proteins. And this protein, please remember, this protein is an incomplete protein because it lacks all 9 essential amino acids. And the inner layer will contain antioxidants and some good fat. Now with this, now which flour has to be eaten? So you have understood that what is a flour from grain. It has three parts, three components, and based on that the nutritive value is decided, the caloric value is decided, and the nutritive value is decided. Never forget, when we eat flour, any flour, whether it is a grain flour, whether it is millet flour, any flour, we are taking carbohydrates. It is not, see, if we add soya flour in normal wheat flour, we are not replenish our protein, because protein we will get from some other source. Fibers we can get it from other source, basically from vegetables. And when we call flour, when eating any type of flour for the diabetics, it is, we are basically talking about and taking carbohydrates in consideration. Hope you understood. We will be continuing this in our night class.